2 nickels. If you want me to show you how to make this, guys, like this video. If we get up to 100 likes, then I'll show you how to make one of these. And I'll make a video how to make one of these. As you can see, it goes pretty fast. And reverse. And let me show you something. Let me show you something else. This is my second video in a week, so okay, I won't even spin it that fast. Then a little faster. Then a little faster. Even more faster. Alright, so if you guys want to make a video how to make this, just hit the like button, subscribe, and let's do it, baby. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, I will make one of these. It's pretty it's stable. I just need some buttons and stuff. But yeah, if you guys like it, 50 likes or 100. You get 50 likes, I'll make one of these videos. If you get to 100 likes, I'll make a video how to clean your bearings. And then I'll do a giveaway on this. I made this. It's pretty cool. Okay, look at, you see this right here? Let it focus. Hold on, let it focus. Oh yeah, by the way. Oh yeah, by the way. That's a leather strap. See you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video.